Hello, my name is Rena. I am project designer with Dana King Design Build, and we're here today to show you a kitchen remodel that we've done that's in Eureka.
Hi, my name is Brenda, and we came to Dana King because our kitchen was outdated and was not functional. I worked with designer Rena to solve the problem where we decided we needed to totally gut the kitchen. We started with all new appliances and placed them where it made sense.
There were several problems in the kitchen that we wanted to help them solve and resolve, and one of them was the island being two-tiered. It was an elbow buster as you'd pass from the laundry room into the kitchen. The layout, the appliances, there were several things that just was not functioning for their lifestyle. The location of the bathroom, size of the pantry, and the layout of the kitchen. So we were challenged with resolving all of those issues for them.
The island was L-shaped, bi-level, had a cooktop in the middle of it, so there was very little usable space.
There are several design features within this kitchen that I absolutely love. One of them is the ceiling-mounted vent hood. It's unique, takes care of many issues for not having a hood in your face. Second one is creating a pass-through for where the bar is. Instead of a wall dividing the space, we opened it up and we have a bourbon bar and we have a wine bar.
One of my favorite things is having a more open concept in the kitchen. The bar isn't cutting off the great room from the kitchen anymore. It's great for designing. We're empty nesters now, so we entertain quite a bit. My husband loves the steam oven. That is hands down his favorite part of the kitchen. And we get the most comments on the tile that we selected, the porcelain for the hood, the green glass for the backsplash, the bar tile, and the lighting above the island.
On the fireplace, we did a redesign to include the colors that were in the kitchen, incorporated it to the fireplace mantle with some nice molding and to give it a beautiful facelift.
Our experience with Dana King was fairly easy. They walked us through all of the process. They shopped with us. Rena was very meticulous in how she did the plans and where things needed to be.
We would like to thank John and Brenda for choosing to work with us. They were a delight to work with. We enjoyed the challenges and we hope that they enjoy the outcome of their kitchen for years to come.